This video is for beginners who want the real truth about AI. AI cannot replace human creativity. AI lacks emotional understanding. AI is powerful, but it's not magic. Let's be clear, AI cannot think like a human.
AI does not understand emotions. AI does not understand emotions.
It does not feel happiness, fear, or pain. AI only follows patterns from data. It cannot create meaning by itself. AI does not know right or wrong. AI cannot replace human judgment.
It depends completely on human input.
Without humans, AI cannot function. AI does not have common sense.
It cannot understand real-life context.
AI is a tool, not a brain.
AI does not have personal experience.
It has never lived a human life. It cannot care about consequences. AI does not understand values. Well, it cannot replace human ethics. And AI does not take accountability. Humans are always responsible. AI cannot decide your future. You decide how AI is used. You control AI. AI is here to assist, not replace.
It works best with human guidance.
Without guidance, AI is limited. It is simply a modern tool. Tools only work when humans use them. You don't need to fear AI. Start small. Learn step by step. And use AI with clarity. You are always in control. AI is powerful when humans lead. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for simple AI clarity.